My name is Benjamin and I'm the product manager here at System76. I've been at System76 for 4 years. In the last year, I've been in the role of product manager. Prior to that, I was on the QA team. Yeah, so currently as product manager for System76, I have my finger on the pulse for all upcoming hardware news from upstream, and kind of figuring out what new stuff's coming, what new stuff do our customers want, and figuring out how we get that to our customers. My first experience with Linux would have to be probably in the 7th grade, when a bunch of buddies and I kind of happened upon it or discovered it, and were very intrigued by kind of the philosophy behind open source software and behind the ability to tinker and create and customize and really create an operating system experience catered to what we wanted and to what we wanted to accomplish. In the time that I've been here, I've seen the company grow from just over a dozen people to over 50 people in a warehouse, with employees remote as well. It has been absolutely incredible to see us move into such a big warehouse where at first it was quite empty, and then see us fill it up with necessary tooling, with necessary R&D and machines and assembly lines that we never had before to help us accomplish our goals and offer really great products to our customers. I very much like living in Denver. Having grown up in a smaller city on the East Coast, it's really nice to have so much around to be able to explore, whether I'm looking for a new place to eat, a place to drink, a place to listen to some music, or even just a walk in the park. This is a painting of General Meowser. He is a general, as you can see, and he is holding a grasshopper. What is the story behind him? Well, without him, we would not have cats on the internet. We have a great staff. We have really smart people. We keep hiring and bringing in really smart and creative people, and we empower people to accomplish, to tinker, and we empower people to build and iterate and fail quickly and try new things. And I think that's the kind of place you want to be around, to see innovation, to see new stuff happen. And I think, and I think with that groundwork set, the stuff that we are doing at System76 is awesome. I expect it to get even better, and I'm really excited to be part of that journey. There's not much I can share, but I think it's pretty clear that the Thalia line will continue to grow. The launch line, which is quite new, but already seen quite a lot of success, will continue to grow. And as people ask around here, laptops when?